How are you? How you doing? Hope you're having an awesome day so far. Alex Ryan here, coming to you from Hong Kong. If you're looking to start an Amazon business or import business, or maybe you're currently in business, quick word to the wise, you need to be on things like social media. You need to be doing things like, for example, Instagram. You've got to be on Twitter. You've got to be doing videos like here. I'm doing videos, right? People watch the video. It could be 2 o'clock in the morning in Australia, but you might be watching in your country right now. It'll be midday. So you need to do these videos. You've got to be on Instagram. You've got to be on Facebook, have a Facebook business page. You actually need to have a very smart social media presence. And if you're not, then you are missing out on a lot. You're leaving a lot of money on the table. And you can't run a business without social media these days. Unfortunately, you might be thinking, oh, well, that's crap, all these young'uns, and they know it, I don't, but you can learn, because I knew nothing about this. And I learned, but then once you learn, you don't have to be an expert in this. You can actually outsource this stuff to people overseas in the Philippines, in Manila, who can do it for you for about $3 US an hour. And they're experts. They actually know more about it than I do. Well, I'm not an expert by any means, but I don't manage my own social media. I don't understand really a lot about Instagram. I don't understand anything about Twitter. I get Facebook, but I've got to say, guys, if you're looking to run an Amazon business or import business, if you're importing your own products and your own brand, whether you're private labeling it or white labeling it, you need to be on social media. You need to be doing this stuff, and you've got to be doing like freaking every day. Unfortunately, that's how it works with social media. So just keep that in mind. I do teach. We have people in our programs who come along to our live events. We're doing one in Tijuana this year, and in Australia we do these live 2-day Amazon workshops and import-export workshops where we teach you how to find hot products and ship them to your country. But we actually have people come in and teach social media. They actually show you how to put your products out there, have products lists on Facebook, and sell products through chatbots and sell them through Twitter and YouTube and all that. We actually have people who come and teach us stuff, but it's good to sort of know it before you outsource it. So before you hire somebody to go out and do this for you, which by all means, I would advise you do, right? You can actually, it's good to know a little bit about it, and then hire someone for $3 an hour to manage your whole social media presence, right? So short of it, guys, the takeaway from this video is you need to be on social media. You need to be doing the stuff. You got to be on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube and posting videos about your product, doing product demonstration videos, the whole thing. And the videos don't have to be long either. It could be a 2-minute video, or a 3-minute video, or a 4-minute video like this video, right? That's it. It's very easy. It's very simple to do. Even if you have a face for radio, man, I love that. If you have a face for radio, you can hire other people to go out and do videos for you. You can pay someone $20 an hour to spend a day with you, so $100, and they can shoot 100 videos for you, and that could be your whole video campaign, right? But guys, you got to be out there doing stuff. So that's it for me. My name's Alex Ryan. If you need help with marketing your product, if you're bringing your own product, by the way, guys, you got to be doing product demonstrations. If you're the founder of the product or the business, it helps that you're doing stuff, that you're actually putting your face to video, because you think Apple, you think Steve Jobs. If you think Microsoft, you think Bill Gates. If you think a lot of brands out there, a lot of smart brands are actually putting people behind those brands. So just keep that in mind. It's good if you are actually, if you're happy to do videos. If you're not, then you can hire people. But if you need help, guys, visit my website. I've got a free video program showing you not only how to import from China, how to start your Amazon business, how to choose hot products, but also how to sell the products. How to do the online social media stuff, which a lot of people seem to be struggling with. And we cover a little bit about it, but I've also got a course that shows you how to do it as well. Guys, if you're looking to get started, make sure you do share this video or comment on it. You might have a friend or someone who wants to start a business online, or somebody that wants to start an Amazon business. Please share the video, and I'll talk to you real soon. Man, it's a bit strange. Look at that. There's all these little characters on the stair. It's my audience. They're waiting for me. All right, guys, have an awesome day. See you later.